Today I'm going to show you how to install VMware Toolkit in EXI host machine. So before start to install that setup in my host machine, which is a server 2016. So I'm just logging on this machine, and I have to show there is no VMware tool drive in my host machine. So let's start to install that VMware tool drive in my on this machine. So it's a very small and basic steps. First I have to select that our host machine where I have to install that VMware tool drive. So it's in my case I selected 20 server 2016, and I have to click on edit. Then click on add other device and select first option, which is a cd/drive DVD drive. So once I click on that option, it's showing in my list, which is a new CD drive options, and the right side it's selected host device. I have to just click on down arrow and select Datastore ISO file, and then vmimages, then tool-isoimages. Then as per my system or a virtual machine operating system, I have to select Windows ISO. In your case might be you are working on Linux, so you have to select on Linux, but I'm going to select Windows ISO image because I'm working on Microsoft product. So I just click on this option. Once I click, it's showing that file size, and I have to click on select option. Then before click on save option, make sure this checkbox is ticked, and I have to click on save. And now I'm going to show you on my host machine. See, it's showing here. So this is a basic steps to install this VMware tools. So once it's showing here, just right click and open, and select that setup 64, and try to install in our system. So in my case it's already installed, but for showing how to install and how to run this setups, again I'm trying to install on my host machine. So I just click on run as administrator. So just wait for a few seconds. It's under process. So it will show that that Windows page will setup page will come, and it's showing within a soon. So see, it's showing welcome to the installation wizard for VMware tools. So click on next option, then modification, then next, then change. So it's it's installing now. So this is a basic step. So now I think it's you know how to install VMware tool kit on host machine on EXI platform. So thank you for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel as well. So thank you.